Hello viewers, welcome to London Base Academy. We're on chapter 1, number basis. Right. Its definition is the number of digits or combination of digits that a system of counting uses to represent numbers. Alright, base is equals to any whole number which is greater than 0. Right. The importance of number bases used for counting, e.g. we have a decimal which is base 10. We use numbers in base 10 for counting. For example, numbers in base 10 with 0, 1, 2, 3, up to 9. Those numbers are used for counting, right? We move on to another importance, which is ease of use in coding. Fewer computations and less computational areas, e.g. binary. We're talking of base 2. Binary is a base 2, right? The numbers in base 2 are 0 and 1. Binary base 2 can be used in electrical circuits. For example, 0, which means off, and 1, which means on. Right, we'll explain more on this when we do mathematical discourse and structures. Right, as I said earlier, base 2 consists of numbers from 0 and 1, and base 3 we have 0, 1, and 2. Where 3 is not included. In base 1 we have only a 0 digit. In base 10 we have digits from 0, 1 to up to 9. Okay, we'll move on to our part A. Part A. Our part A says expand the following in the powers of their bases. Expand the following in the powers of their bases. We have 1, 2. Question 1, we have item 1, which is 1, 2, 3, 8, and 9. Right. To expand this, we are going to say solution. We are going to say 1, which is 2, 3, 8, 9, 2389 base 10. Right. We're going to say for this 9, it's a you need to say 0, 1, 2, 3. Right. To expand, say 2 times 10, which is the base, to the power 3, plus 3 times 10 to the power 2, plus, say, plus 8 times 10 to the power 1, plus 9 times 10 to the power 0, right? Then we say this is equal to, right, 9 times 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 0 is same as 1. So we're left with 9 here. So we can write this as 2 times 10 to the power 3 plus 3 times 10 squared plus 8 times 10 to the power 1 plus 9 times 1. Then this is our solution. We move on to number A2, which says 3, 5, 1, 5, 4 base 8, right? Base 8, right? You can write this in expansion form. We say 0 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? You can say 3 times 8, which is our base, to the power 8. Our base is raised to this power, plus 5 times 8 to the power 3, plus 1 times 8 to the power 2, plus 5 times 8 to the power 1, plus 4 times 1, which is 8 to the power 0. This is our solution. We move on to number 3 question, which says 1, 1 0 1 1 2, right? We say this is equals to 0 1 2 3, right? This is equals to 1 times 2 to the power 3 plus 0 times 2 to the power 2 plus 1 times 2 to the power 1 plus 1 times 2 to the power 0, right? Then we move on to our last question, which is number A4. Number 4 says 2102 base 3 is equals to 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 equals to 2 times our base 3 to the power 3. We raise our base to the power the index, right, which is 3 here, plus 1 times 3 to the power 2 plus 0 times 3 to the power 1 plus 2 times 3 to the power 0. You can write this as 2 times 1, because 3 to the power 0 will give us a 1, right? So this is our solution on the expansion. So our part A is answered. We say expand the following in the powers of their bases. So here are the solutions for the questions, right? So we are done with part A of our chapter 1 on number basis. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, London Base Academy. Find us on YouTube. I thank you.